Good morning. Welcome to your Friday, March 9th daily operations weather briefing. Currently across the region, we do have weak high pressure over the area with just a few cumulus clouds off to our east and northeast. And we're expecting mostly clear skies this morning. Then we should start to see a little bit more fair weather cumulus development as we head into the later portions of this morning into the early afternoon. We do currently have a wind advisory that was just issued a couple minutes ago for winds in excess of 25 knots, and that'll look to continue this morning into the early afternoon, as we'll have intermittent gusts up around 25 knots this morning and into the early afternoon time frame, all thanks to the pressure gradient tightening over the region with areas of low pressure off to our northeast and the weak high pressure system over our area. Current surface observations with the radar satellite overlay are showing clear skies in terms of radar returns, and we do have just a few cumulus clouds off to our northeast and east. And again, I will expect that fair weather cumulus development to increase as we head into the later portion of this morning into the afternoon. Currently a few at 4,000 with a westerly wind at 13 knots, gusting to 18 knots, temperature of 38 degrees with a humidity of 48%. For the next 24 hours, we'll have a chance for winds in excess of 25 knots this morning into the early afternoon. Again, we already do have that wind advisory out for, we did hit a wind gust of around 32 miles per hour just about 5 to 10 minutes ago, and those winds are expected to remain right around wind advisory criteria this morning into the early afternoon. Our high temperature today is expected to be around 48 degrees under mostly sunny skies, and then during the overnight hours we'll start to see an increase in our mid to upper level cloudiness and temperatures dropping down into the lower 30s, expecting an overnight low of 31 degrees. Winds diminishing during the later portions of this afternoon into the evening, predominant wind being out of the west at 4 to 8 knots, and then increasing slightly out of the northwest at 5 to 10 knots by tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Our tides are currently 1.5 feet above normal, and they are continuing to decrease. They didn't drop off quite as much as I expected yesterday, but they are beginning to drop off to more normal levels, and that'll continue to do so throughout the day today and into this weekend. So for our day on Saturday, we'll still have high pressure overhead, partly cloudy and seasonable with increasing cloudiness late. We'll have a high of 49 degrees Saturday night, partly to mostly cloudy and seasonably cool with a low of 33 degrees. And then for Sunday, models are still quite a bit of discrepancy, even though we're 3 days out from this event for Sunday, but we are expecting an area of low pressure to affect the region out of the southeastern United States, potentially developing into another nor'easter, but it looks like we'll have a chance for some rainfall by the noontime hour on Sunday and continuing into the afternoon time frame. And again, it'll be looks like a decent chance for showers, mostly cloudy with a chance of rain showers with a high of 43 degrees. Could also see winds reaching that wind advisory criteria above 25 knots. But this is still a pretty big question mark for Sunday and into early next week, and we'll continue to monitor, and we'll have updates for you at the extended outlook at 10 a.m. But until then, have a great day.